Madhura's Kitchen Diaries. There are times when we come home tired and all we want to have is a simple, healthy and hearty Indian meal. Every nation has its own comfort food and for us it is khichdi. Doesn't our khichdi taste lovely when we combine it with curds, pickle and papad? Today we'll be seeing how to prepare dal khichdi using rice and moong dal. Moong dal is these days considered to be a superfood and it helps in balancing the three doshas or disturbances of our body which are kapha, pitta and vata, thereby having a naturally detoxifying effect on our entire system. We hope you love this recipe. If you do, please press the like button, share it with your friends and family and subscribe to Madhura's Kitchen Diaries. Thank you. To follow us on YouTube, search for Madhura's Kitchen Diaries on YouTube. Press the subscribe button followed by the bell icon and select all option to get the latest notifications of all our recipes. Let's take a look at the ingredients. 1 cup of rice, 1 cup moong dal. Ensure that you are taking the same cup for measurement. 1 tamalpatra or bay leaf, 2 to 3 tablespoons of homemade ghee, 1 teaspoon jeera, half teaspoon of hing, 2 finely chopped onions, 1 to 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste in which I have taken a medium piece of ginger and around 12 to 15 garlic flakes, 2 finely chopped tomatoes, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 Kashmiri red chili, 1 cup of coriander and salt to taste. We will begin by taking 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of moong dal. We'll wash it nicely till the water runs clear. Now to the washed rice moong dal mixture, we will add water so that they are completely soaked in water. We'll allow it to soak for around an hour. After 1 hour, we'll drain off the water and begin with our khichdi preparation. In a pressure pan, we will take 4 to 5 teaspoons of ghee. I prefer using ghee because it gives a very nice aroma and flavor to our dal khichdi. To this, we'll add a tamalpatra and a teaspoon of jeera. After the jeera starts crackling, we'll add a little bit of hing and reduce the gas flame. Now add the ginger garlic paste and saute it nicely. This time you can keep the gas flame on medium. If you feel the ginger garlic paste is sticking to the pan, we'll add a splash of water and we'll get a very nice aroma. Now we will add the chopped onions and saute it nicely. The onion color should turn pinkish and they should become soft in texture. We can see that the onion color has changed and that they have become soft. We will add the chopped tomatoes now to it. Saute them nicely till they turn soft and mushy. After our tomatoes are ready, we'll add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Let us mix it nicely. We will add the soaked rice moong dal mixture to the pan after draining off the excess water. Let's mix it nicely so that the grains are evenly coated with the spices. We will now add 4 cups of hot water to the pan. The quantity of water is exactly double the quantity of rice and moong dal mixture that we have taken. Let us add salt to the mixture. Mix it nicely so that the salt gets evenly dissolved, and at the same time also ensure that there is nothing sticking to the bottom of the pan. We will cover the pressure pan with a lid, ensuring that the whistle is in place. Keep the gas between medium to high flame and cook it till 4 whistles. After 4 whistles, we'll turn off the gas and allow the pressure pan to depressurize naturally, and only then we'll open the lid. We can see that our rice and moong dal have got nicely cooked. We'll give it a stir. Add around 3/4 glass of water. Let us turn on the gas and cook it on a medium flame till we get the consistency of the khichdi. We can see that our khichdi is ready. We'll prepare the tempering for our khichdi. For tempering, we will take 2 teaspoons of ghee. Add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and a Kashmiri red chili to it. After it heats up sufficiently, we'll add this tempering to our khichdi and garnish it with chopped coriander. We'll serve our khichdi hot with ghee. We hope you have liked this recipe of ours. If you do, please press the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you.